and we've got ice.
We are definitely in Antarctica. Alright, so today's excursion we're just going to go on a cruise. But we're going to have some breakfast first. Let's go. Alright, the fun already. Dude, you have to wear so many layers, it's ridiculous. I've got this huge windbreaker, my down jacket, a hoodie, some long sleeve shirt, 2 pairs of pants, these fisherman overall thingy-mabobbies, 3 socks, and I'm sweating like a pig. I need to go outside.
Have fun.
Enjoy.
Have fun.
He marked me off?
Yeah, I did.
Too easy. Morning. Sorry? It's not actually that bad. Like yesterday on the top, I couldn't feel my fingers, but it's fine at the moment.
Is that food?
Scared as dog. They're really close to each other.
December, and they really wanted to go snow petrel in front of an iceberg. That was like the picture to get.
Wow. Cute. It's blending right in. Hey, buddy. Hello.
Whoa, jeez.
Are you recording, mate?
Yeah.
Nice.
I think I got it.
Yeah. You got scared. Hello. Is he scared of us or curious maybe?
That was surreal.
That was unreal, wasn't it?
Yeah. That was really good.
Looks like again, you are the master of your sleeping system tonight.
Huge compared to us.
Alright, so let's go light back on. Last big try me out of going. Very hard.
Up here. Alright team, stay seated. I'm going to brief you in the Zodiac. And the first thing I have to say is visual. This is a continental landing. We will not be walking to the South Pole from here. And while you might be cold from Zodiac cruising with whales, the 5 of us who have been here for an hour and a half are hotter than hell, because that was a solid wall of ice when we got started. There's a bunch of molting penguins right here. Usually we land where that Zodiac is and hike up that way, much easier. But those molting penguins were in the way, and if we have to disturb penguins to be here, then we shouldn't be here. So we decided to put a little muscle to it and make a ramp, make a staircase. John handmade that banister. He wove that rope while we were here. You should have seen it. It was beautiful. We're not going to take life jackets off like we normally would. You're leaving your life jacket on. When you get to the top of this staircase, there are trekking poles. You must take 2 trekking poles. It is not optional. Take 2, because on the way up, it's steep and slippery. Stay to the left of the orange flags. For you guys, pretty much you can follow the other guys in red, okay? When you get to the chinstrap penguin colony, that's it. We're not going all the way to the top. It took too long for us to get this set up. I think you guys had a pretty sweet Zodiac cruise. I mean, there's whales just right there. How amazing is this?
We're bored with whales right now.
Yeah, stop stinking marine mammals. So, when you get up to the chinstrap penguins, take some time and enjoy those chinstrap penguins. Enjoy being on shore on the peninsula of Antarctica. And by 6 o'clock or so, we'll be headed back to the ship. If anyone's hoping to go camping, you got a lot of work to do, because this is still not camping weather. So we need this snow to stop in the next couple hours. It's possible. We'll see.
Yeah.
I'm not canceling yet, but it's not looking good. Does anyone have any questions about Orne Harbour here? All right.
Oh, yeah.
When we get Dr. Matt out to help unload the other side, we'll unload both sides. You'll slide up and spin your legs towards the engine.
Okay, soon as you like, if you're feeling fit.
Yep, why not?
Very straightforward. The only thing I ask is don't stamp the steps. Just try and place your feet in them, otherwise they're going to collapse.
And you have
use the
to
knots and
do more work.
Yeah, exactly.
Nice job, by the way.
It wasn't just me.
Oh. Thank you. I got you too. Antarctica. Hey, check it out. Hey, buddy. Bye-bye. Yeah. Alright, let's do it. Got a face like a dragon. Yeah, spewing. Hear your name into the. We're not from Australia. Yeah, these penguins. Alrighty, we just completed our first landing at Orne Harbour. This is actually on land of Antarctica, so it's not actually part of the island, so we could walk to the South Pole from here if we really wanted to, but we ain't that cray.
Yeah, we did a little short hike all the way up to the top of this little hill. Got a really good view of these young penguins who are moulting, which means they're shedding their feathers that they're born with, and they're waiting for their parents to come back and feed them. Actually, this is our very first touchdown on Antarctica. This is the first time we've touched down on the 7th and last continent on this planet. And it was such an amazing feeling to set foot. Can't wait to see what's in store for the rest of this trip. This is only the beginning.
We're trying to do some camping tonight, but we're not sure if the weather's going to clear up or not in the next hour or so.
Yeah, we need the snow to stop in the next hour. If they cancel the camping, we're not going to be too upset because it's going to be freezing cold for 10 hours straight versus a comfortable bed.
So I'm a bit on the edge about it, to be honest. So if it does happen, I'm psyched. If it doesn't, then I'm also psyched.
We're also psyched for a good, comfortable night's sleep.
So let's see how we go.
Thanks, John.
Bye.
Yeah,
we're just going to go back to the ship. 327.
Thank you so much.
So we came from all the way over there. Oh, there. To here. Hey. Beautiful. First landing, not bad. And back home, but we can still see it.
If you want to send up a few more people, now I can open up this area here. So basically just stay my side of this little ridge.
Yep, cool.